everybody, welcome back to my video. This is a voice reveal. So today we are going to be playing blox fruits. Sorry for my voice, it's a little monotone. Okay, so yeah, today we will be grinding in blox fruits. A full montage of me grinding. Oh my god. So if I see anything cool or anything, I don't know what to do. I don't know, bro. I mean, I got superhuman, so I got superhuman, I don't know, maybe like 7 days ago, maybe. Also, my exams have started, so not sure if I can post daily anymore. So I have no words. What should I do? So I'm going to grind after I get. I'm going to grind for Dragon Talon. No wait, I want to grind for E-Claw, Electric Claw, because Electric Claw is good for combos. Combos equals PvP. So I don't know. Maybe we can. I don't know, bro. I don't know. What should I do? Last time I got disconnected, which is very unfortunate. I hope my voice is not echoing. Oh my god, I forgot about the lag, the amount of lag this game has. She's dead, hopefully. Just spawn! It's not that hard. Yes, now die. Also, I might be a kid, maybe. Just guess my age and I don't know. Also, I may be the only YouTuber who might get famous without any Robux. But I do not need Robux. So, what now? Why does Superhuman C look like a... Oh, I grabbed you. Oh no. And then just yeets them away. Like, bye-bye. Yes, I also play... If you're thinking that does this dude play the strongest battlegrounds? Yes, I do. I'm very bad. If you want to 1v1 me, then just know that you will win. Unless I pull out the Genos spam. I think you all know what I mean. Oh, wow. The sky is falling, guys. So, what now? I don't know. I think I said this same phrase over and over again. Yay. By the way, this is not commentary. This is, I don't know. Also, there is no sound. Oh my god. Why does this take so long? Like, I know there's 5 enemies in the... I think I saw something. Why does that always happen to me? Whenever I grind, I just see some things that I'm not supposed to see. And, it just happens. Oh my god. You know what? I'll just keep him low in case. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. Do not kill him. Please, God. Just have to shift a tiny bit. I have realized this video has gone to 5 minutes. Oh, here he is. Die. He should be dead by now, so. Yeah, I told you. Let's get superhuman to like 350 mastery. And then we'll move on to E-Claw. Whoa, 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 whoa. When did you come here, big boy? Did he just... What? Okay. Bro became Spider-Man. But you can't become Spider-Man. Your webs will just tear off by the rain going on in Tiki Outpost. I'm acting like a nerd. Woo! Oh my god, I almost got him. Well, I thought. What am I doing? Dog. I think I'm tripping. Oh damn. Here is one reason you should stop mewing. Mewing can be very harmful to you because I don't know, okay? Just stop mewing. I hate it. Whoa. They give out like they give out 100,000 XP, which is like funny to me. I don't know why or how. Don't ask questions, please. Please. I'll grab you, haha. I just grabbed you and threw you, haha. Oh! Okay. Where are you? What? What? Okay. This game is very weird, so please expect glitches. If you have a mobile, yes, I'm playing on mobile. And it's very hard. I've been playing this game for like 2 years now. 2 years straight. No pauses. I mean, I even quit Blox Fruit one time. But that was just because I messed up my stats. I put all of my stats into defense and nothing else. There he is. Come here, come here. Oh, bam. When I was little, when I was like new to this game, I always thought the superhuman X was Kilo Z. Kilo Z move. Yay, we've done it. New quest. Let's see what is this new quest, my gamers. Oh wow, it's from the same old lady. She's old, okay. Oh damn. Come here, island boys. I don't think you are a boy. What is this? Wait, what? Isn't this like the sanguine art? It is! Hello, friend. Hey, man. Shut up, Sheffy. I'm out. Come here, boy. I am taking away your lifeline. Where did you... What? Bro was trying to tree camp, which is not allowed, but okay. I allow that by all means. Whoa. I'm stuck in the ground. I thought. Yay, I'm stuck in air. Wow. Yeah, yeet. Bro, it doesn't even let me time my voice perfectly. I think you know what I mean. This video isn't over until I reach level 2500. I mean, it might take 30 minutes, but who cares? Oh my god! Bro got yeeted in a bad way. I'm very bored. I don't know what to do. I mean, my friends, one of them is online, but they always stay online and never respond. I think we can all agree we have that kind of friend. Oh god, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I mean, it's alright. Insane combo, bro. That was insane. Can someone tell me a combo in Superhuman in the comments down below? Cause bro, I swear I never know how to PvP. I just spam click. I'm a Buddha spammer, you could say. I don't use it for PvP. I use it for helping people solo raids. If you need to, I can't solo raids. If I can, please tell me. I don't know if I can. I need like, I don't know, God human maybe. Cause bro, I swear I'm bad at this game. Not that bad. Oh. Bro just went like boing. I think y'all know what that means. I may not be a man. I'm under 13. Oh my god, that's the wrong quest. Whoa, 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 hey. Oh my god, the worst way to be assaulted is to get a quest, and meanwhile you're getting a quest. Did I just say quest? What is wrong with me, bro? The worst way to get assaulted is when you are taking a quest and an island boy just comes and smacks you in the face. That's the worst. What? My voice is very monotone. This is the second time I said this. Why am I counting it? Good question. I do not know. I swear, Hey, at least I landed it. Oh my god. I don't want to use the Buddha glitch. I mean, it did take me a lot of time, so I don't know, bro. Ooh! Damn. Ooh! Okay, alright. Why did I do that? That sounds cringe. It sounds cringe as hell. What? Why did I do that? That sounds cringe. Ew. I hate me. Wait, what? That sounds weird. What? I swear Gen X was the best generation in the world. I'm not kidding. Gen X is the best. Gen Z, all the kids just yap about Skibidi Toilet, bro. What? Like, it's been Skibidi Toilet is isn't even that good. Like, what? It's just a man in a toilet. This is not even that good. Why do people yap about it so much? Sure, they're going to war, but who cares? It's not World War III, what? Where are you? I want to choke you. I choked you. Yes, finally. It's on the right moment. As I said it. Hey. Please ignore my voice. It just sounds weird. Boom. 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 And then a boom. Come here, you two boys. Oh my god. Ah! Please don't attack me. Oh my god, they do damage. Oh my god. That was close. Oh my, not you. Oh my god. 164 health. That was scary as hell. Oh my god. I'm not kidding, okay? I think I should end this video right now. In fact, it feels like I'm mewing. So, guys, this video's end. Goodbye, and see you on the next one.